In this third video, we're going to talk about how to create a personalized homeschooling curriculum. What if I told you that there is a way that we can create a curriculum that fits your child's personality, pace, and passion? Let's break it down in a way that's simple and doable. So the core message. So what I would like to tell you is that you need to assess your child's learning style. Each child have their own preferences. Is it visual? Is it auditory? You just need to assess that. Customizing subjects instead of generic syllabuses that are actually thrown out in schools, and they have to follow it. Build lessons around real world skills. That's more interesting. That actually drives the conversation. So they can ask questions and be always open to their questions, no matter what kind. Remember uh, how in our industry, in the IT industry, something that's always talked about in meetings is no question is a bad question. That approach starts from the very beginning and within your homes. And I would like to mention about Islamic studies. Teach Quran stories alongside history to create a holistic worldview. Use a simple roadmap. Um, like it could be done in an Excel document. Use Google Sheets, for example. And this roadmap is going to help you assess your kid. And for example, so take a look at this roadmap. This roadmap has been created for my daughter, and I listed on a very high level all the contents that she was going to cover in her primary grades. So from grades 1 to 5, I listed everything down, and in my own way. Uh, you could use tools like Trello, any other app like Word. If you're comfortable with Word, do that, or even any other app. And this is going to help you track your child's progress, because what's going to happen is that you might be using different resources. You might be using a book from BrainQuest, or let's say you're explaining a concept from Khan Academy, or let's say you're using Cambridge books. Everything needs to tie to these topics in your roadmap. I mean, there's no harm in using different resources. We don't believe that one size fits all. So, but this is going to be a progress tracker, which is going to be really helpful. Tell me in the comments which is that one thing that you wish was taught in schools but isn't. Stay tuned for more.